All right, hey chemists, this will be the video answer key to Unit 1, Worksheet number 3. We're going to start with question 1 here. So in question 1, it says, study the matter shown in the figure 1 right here. So we have box A and box B. Each dot represents a particle of matter. So I put a little key here. We could say that each circle represents a gram of that matter. Assume the particles are uniformly distributed throughout each object and particles of the same size have the same mass. That's important. Particles of the same size have the same mass, so I could count them. In the table below, show how the masses, volumes, and densities of A and B compare by adding the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to the statement in the second column. And then explain your reasoning. On the top here, just in case, I put what the greater than and less than signs look like. So the less than looks like this, and the greater than looks like this. So let's look at this. It says property, mass. For us, mass has to do with the circles. We have to think about A versus B. Well, let's count. If a gray circle represents a gram, it looks like this first box here looks like A has 13 circles, so it's about 13 grams. And you could count that. There's like 5 in the middle, and then 4 on top and bottom, 5 plus 5 plus 8. You got 13 right there. Then this other box right here, if I want to count, I could do 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 4, 8, 12, 16. This is 36 grams. I could clearly see that there is a larger mass in B than A. So I'm going to say A is less than B. And your reasoning, there are more circles or particles in B than A. Now we're going to look at volume. Volume is the box. And for us, a larger box would mean a larger volume. So it looks like B, like if we want to try and quantify this, like, look, I kind of put a little dotted line here. I would say if this box for A is 1 milliliter, then I would think that the box for B, that's about 2 milliliters. So I would say B is larger than A in volume. So for volume, I'm going to say that A is less than B. And I would say B has a larger size box or takes up more space. Takes up more space. And then finally, C here, density. Don't forget that the density is mass over volume. So I'm going to count here. So I have box A. A is like 13 grams for 1 milliliter. Its density would be 13 grams per milliliter. B, if I counted, I had 36 grams, and the box is about twice the size. So if I had 36 grams, and I said it's twice the size, that'd be divided by 2 milliliters. 36 divided by 2, that's 18 grams per milliliter. So in this case, I would say B has a larger density than A, so another less than sign. And our reasoning could literally